For today's video, we're gonna learn about subtraction of fractions. But for now, we will focus on similar fractions only. So for similar fractions, it's also the same with addition of similar fractions. You just have to copy the denominator, then subtract the numerator. 2 minus 1 is 1, so the final answer is 1/4. Another example, 5 over 7 minus 2 over 7. Copy the denominator, subtract, you'll get 3 over 7. Another example, 6 over 8 minus 2 over 8. You'll get 6 minus 2 is 4, or 1/2, because 4 is half of 8. Another example, 22 over 24 minus 10 over 24. I just have to copy the denominator, then subtract 12, or 1/2, because 12 is half of 24. Let's have more examples. Mixed fractions. 2 and 3 over 7 minus 1 and 1 over 7. So same with addition, you just have to perform the operation to similar terms. This whole number, 2 minus 1 is 1. Then you have to copy the denominator. 3 minus 1 is 2. So this is the final answer. Another example, both improper fractions, 7 over 3 minus 5 over 3. 7 minus 5 is 2. So that's the final answer. Another example, we have 9 over 13 minus 8 over 13. So since we don't have a whole number on the second fraction, we just have to copy the first whole number, then subtract the numerators. 9 minus 8 is 1, so this is the final answer. What about if we have 1 and 8 over 13 minus 9 over 13? So notice that 8 is smaller compared to 9. So we just have to convert this first with improper fraction. So to do that, just have to multiply, then add. Denominator times whole number plus the numerator. So 13 times 1 is 13 plus 8, 21 over 13 minus 9 over 13. Copy the second fraction. 21 minus 9 is 12. Then copy the denominator. So this is the final answer. Last example, we have 2 and 2 over 5 minus 1 and 1 over 5. So what's the answer? Subtract both whole numbers. 2 minus 1 is 1. 2 minus 1 is also 1. Then copy the denominator. That's it for today. I hope you learned a lesson. I will upload another video on subtraction of dissimilar fractions.